In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Grammarly Go step by step so you can start writing faster, create better prompts, and make the most of the AI tools built into Grammarly. If you've ever wanted an easy way to draft, rewrite, humanize, or improve your writing right inside your browser, this guide is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. First, you want to make sure you have Grammarly installed. You can use the Grammarly browser extension in Chrome or Edge, or you can use the Grammarly desktop app if that's what you prefer. Once Grammarly is installed, open your extension settings and check that the Go or AI assistant feature is turned on. This part is important because if the feature is disabled, you won't see the tools we're about to use. Now look for the floating Grammarly widget, sometimes called the notch, that sticks out from the right edge of your browser screen. This little tab is your entry point into Grammarly Go. Click on the notch and a side panel will slide open. This is where the Superhuman Go panel appears, giving you access to prompts, writing tools, and all the core AI features. At the very bottom of this panel, you'll see a main text field. This is one of the most useful parts of the tool because you can type a custom AI prompt from scratch. For example, you can ask it to rewrite a paragraph, summarize an email, generate ideas, or help you sound more professional. Just type what you need, then use the prompt to generate the result you want. On the left side of the panel, you'll notice a vertical bar with the core native agents. These are the built-in tools that make Grammarly Go so powerful. The first one is Proofreader. This scans your open document for structural fixes, typos, grammar issues, and phrasing corrections, so it's great when you want to clean up a draft quickly. Next is AI Detector. This tool looks for sections of your writing that may seem machine-generated and flags them so you can revise them. If you want your writing to feel more natural and authentic, this can be a helpful check before you send or publish anything. Then you have Humanizer, which is designed to smooth out robotic wording, add warmth, and fine-tune your draft so it sounds more like a real person wrote it. If your text feels stiff or overly formal, this is the tool to try. Another useful option is reader reactions. This simulates how someone in your audience, like a manager, client, or reader, might interpret your writing before you send it. This is especially useful when you want to make sure your message lands the right way. You'll also find Resume Builder, which is built for job seekers. It helps tailor and structure your career highlights, bullet points, and summaries for applications so you can present your experience more clearly and professionally. And there's Paraphraser, which rewrites sentences or even full blocks of text into fresh variations while keeping the core meaning. This is perfect when you want to avoid repetition, improve flow, or simply say the same thing in a better way. Now here's something else that's really useful. At the bottom of the vertical bar, you'll see More Agents. Clicking this opens up the ecosystem store where you can add third-party apps and partner tools directly onto your bench. That means Grammarly Go can expand beyond the default tools and adapt to different workflows depending on what you need. As you explore these tools, the best approach is to think about your goal first. Do you want cleaner writing, a more human tone, stronger job application content, or a better response to a prompt? Once you know the goal, choose the agent that matches it, type your request, and review the output carefully. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will usually be. If the response needs adjustments, don't stop at the first draft. Refine the prompt, add more detail, or ask Grammarly Go to make the tone more casual, more professional, shorter, clearer, or more persuasive. That back and forth editing process is where the real power of the tool shows up. So to recap, install Grammarly, turn on the Go feature, click the notch to open the panel, use the main prompt box for custom requests, explore the native agents on the left, and check out More Agents if you want to expand your setup. Once you get comfortable with it, Grammarly Go becomes a fast and flexible writing assistant built right into your workflow. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.